Hello, in front of me I've got FC25. In this video I'll show you how to use Nutmeg to beat Goalkeeper. In order to use Nutmeg, you have to press and hold L1 plus R1. Next, use right analog for Nutmeg direction. When you are attacking Goalkeeper, when the Goalkeeper is rushing towards you, simply use Nutmeg in any direction but forward. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe.